Dzień dobry, kochanie. Co robisz? Gdzie jesteś?
Dzień dobry, good morning everyone. We're just having our Sunday brunch together in our favorite restaurant actually next to the Malta Lake.
Malta Lake,
Right.
Barebu. That's the place. And what we got today? The same as usual? Our usual. So chicken baguette with cappuccino for Winnie, but the baguette looks so decent, sayang, today I'm gonna tell you. Ooh, looking good. And I got standard English breaky with kabanosz Frankfurter. Smacznego, kochanie. Cheers.
Cappuccino.
And tell me a few words about the weather today.
Bardzo cold. Bardzo zimno.
Very, very cold.
2 degrees already.
3.
2.
3. It doesn't make any difference.
Kochani, to jest niedzielę, tak? You're not working. You have to enjoy your life. Work-life balance, tak? Smacznego. And that's the view of Sunday. Nice. Today is Sunday, so it's time for Damian to go to the market. What he's gonna buy?
Chocolate and cola.
Kochanie, zobacz tutaj. Kochanie, zobacz.
Oh, nice.
Ah.
So cute, huh?
So cute. Okay, so this is how it looks. The market, Damian's favorite market. Kochanie, what you buy?
Chocolate. Only good stuff.
Okay.
I buy coffee free, Bounty and Picnic.
Oh, dobra.
Let's go.
Idziemy? Kochanie,
Tak.
what you buy? Cola?
Christmas is coming. Christmas and no coke.
You're gonna have a toothless later on. Too much sweet and cola. Oh my gosh, that's my husband. Okay, so many stuff here. Tak.
Actually, I should buy knoppers as well.
Aha,
Here for 10 zł.
dobra.
Dobra.
You see, with the truck, they sell this and chocolate.
This is how our weekend spent. Having a Sunday brunch, going to the market, and after this we go somewhere together, tak?
Tak. That's the thing.
Look at how Damian hold his coke so proud.
Tak.
And my
As the-
wife is just like,
As the
dobra.
trophy. Like a trophy.
Yeah, and then when you are old, you will be toothless.
So cold.
Okay, so actually now is how many? I don't know, maybe -1 degree already cold.
No. It's like a 3 degree, okay?
Okay,
It's
3
not
degree.
minus, okay?
Okay, so we decided to stop in the Kórnik area.
Tak.
Tak. So next to it there is a zamek, there is a arboretum, which is a garden from the castle. And behind me is a beautiful lake. In Kórnik there are 3 lakes here, and what I see is that is a very nice lake, and what a beautiful sky, autumn, the colors of the zoo, tak? The trees, it's beautiful. So yeah, we decided to sightseeing while enjoying a beautiful weather, and some people already also coming here for fishing. So yeah, let's see.
We stop in the lake, Kórnik Lake. It's beautiful, and people here going fishing. Nice. Let's keep walking, kochani. Look at Damian, so cute you are. And that's actually the type of the fish that live here. Tak. Okay. Now let's keep walking. Very nice walk path, kochani. Watch. You see, nice, clean. Oh, beautiful. You also can ride bicycle here. Many people actually coming here to walk.
make a picture of you. Look so cute in this background lah.
Thank you.
Sayang, you look so nice. Winter outfit niya. Do you feel very cold?
I'm okay. I'm already starting slowly crop.
So?
Adjust.
Adjust? Okay. So lovely. And this is nice environment actually. You can walk like this one, right? There is the castle actually. Beautiful gold spring atrium, right? Okay. So lovely, isn't it? Oh. So lovely.
Beautiful sun behind me.
Bye.
Sign me everywhere, kochanie.
Over there is actually the city center of the Kórnik, the playground, and I keep walking. The man is already there. I'm showing you. You know, that's the zamek of the Kórnik, and I think we will go up there to have a better view. What a fresh air, crisp air actually here, surrounded by the green nature like this. So this is basically the view from the top. We were there before. It's just nice.
So lovely, isn't it? So cool, huh?
Tak. So normally I make the video, but today Damian's day off. He has his beautiful weekend off today. Tak, kochanie?
My wife.
It's very nice.
Very nice.
Yeah, what I can say then, I know that here is just few kilometers right from the city center.
Not that far.
Not that far, but yeah, it's amazing. It's so
enjoyable.
many nature here in Poland. Nice.
And I think that we will go there to the city center. Nice, beautiful playground, kochanie.
Okay.
And here on the right is a nice restaurant. Unfortunately, it is the sitting outdoor is closed because of cold. Some kids are playing in the playground. Interesting. Polish people really family oriented, tak?
Many people going outdoors, no matter of temperature.
Tak.
Very important.
Yeah, to build your immune system as well. Okay. Kochanie, so this is the city center of the Kórnik, tak? Oh wow. Look at this. So many nice shop, but unfortunately it's closed. Let's go there to see the miniature. This in the middle is the Uzon, and here is the center actually. So basically city of the Kórnik look like this. Dzień dobry. That's the zamek, tak, kochanie? Oh. Dobra.
Let's go to Żabka.
Zapka? Okay. Let's buy a drink or something. Oh. Look at the color of the Asian, golden Asian. And this is how it looks, the city. My impression, even a small city, clean. Nice. I just get a closer look with the Uzon and then the clock tower behind. And here is the little bit knowledge, historical things about the city. Right, kochanie?
That's correct. If you
Yes.
want to learn more about this one, I highly encourage you to come to Kórnik, nearby the Poznań, only 20 minutes drive.
Right. This is so many historical things, and of course all written in Polish. Dlaczego musisz
Mieszkasz w Polsce, nie mówisz po polsku.
Tak, mieszkasz w Polsce, musisz mówić po polsku. Yeah.
So this one is the church, right, kochanie?
Tak.
Yes.
Okay, let's walk around, and here is the view of the city center. Small city.
Small but very enjoyable, isn't it?
Tak, nice.
And here in front of me, this is the complex of the zamek or the castle. You see over there, that is the zamek. Today we are not going to zamek because last time I think that I already record what's inside the zamek. So today we just focus on sightseeing next to the lake. Quite busy on Sunday. Yeah. Let's go. Huh? Who?
Nobody lives in Zamek anymore,
No.
but the White Widow is still
Tak,
there.
tak. Okay.
We just walk through the path, walking path. It's nice, really nice. We are out of the Kórnik, but this one is still Kórnik city, no?
Yeah, the area of Kórnik. We are going back to Poznań city.
Oh wow, look at the road.
Generally speaking, Kórnik still belongs to the metropolitan area of Poznań
Wow.
as general.
Look at the trees on the left, on the right side.
So beautiful, isn't it?
Right. It's nice. And look at the road, no traffic jam.
No, no traffic like that.
It's nice. Sunday drive is always nice.
Always enjoyable and always.
So we are going back to the Poznań Centrum.
Kanye, where we are now?
That's where some people don't like. In the mall.
But I like mall.
Nice malls are nice because of many reasons.
Tak.
First of all, it's nice weather. I mean, conditions, you can warm up or cool down, depends on the condition outside. In this case, warm down. You can have some lunch on Sunday.
I feel like I wanna have a chicken. Tak, let's go.
Okay.
Only this kind of food that is open.
Interesting, Kohanya. This one is the Louisiana product.
Tak.
Tak.
With
Not only
buffalo-
KFC.
With buffalo sauce. I was in Buffalo actually.
Okay, let's see how it is. Smacznego.
But interesting fries. Difference on them.
Really? Smacznego.
Yang, you miss sometimes your fried chicken, huh?
But this one, what I see is that tastes different than KFC.
Tak.
But somehow I think this one is the competitor of KFC.
Tak, for sure. But do you like it?
Nice.
Nice?
Mm-hmm.
Tastes different.
Tastes different. And the sauce tastes really different.
The buffalo one.
Spicy. It's different.
Hello, Kohanya. What are you doing? I know that you are planning for the next trip, right?
That's require a lot of planning.
The key is that Damian always planning, paying, and everything. I'm the one who is just going and enjoying, and I'm the one who is cheering up everything. If problem, I always laugh and everything. So he does everything.
That's the thing.
We are teamwork.
We decided just to chill and enjoy our time here. Right, Kohanya? And
You sit on the
tomorrow-
big sofa lah. You sit on the big sofa lah.
And nobody bother me here.
That's the most important thing.
So, tomorrow Damian's going back to the office and it's time to have a chill for Damian.
Ah, that's the thing.
So, this is how our daily life in Poland. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye! Oh, we are on the way home. It's just simply now it's at 5 p.m. You see, already late night. I mean, already starting to be a dark.